Hello, Farmeress Dee here. I haven't given you a view of my garden in a while, so here's a quick one. Still got peppers growing here. I got purple basil and sweet basil growing. My squash, hadn't gotten any squash from this, but I do have tomatoes growing. See the tomatoes there, and the tomato here, and here's some tomatoes over here. I did get some zucchini out, and I did get some spinach. But tomatoes. And this is what I pulled up today as a piece of harvest. I've got some zucchini growing over here, and I think I finally got one that's getting ready to be harvested. That plant that I had that was growing stuff that I don't know what it is, I pulled it up. It was over in this corner. I pulled it up. But my okra is doing good. I've harvested plenty of okra, and I'm glad I planted as many as I did. Don't see many ready now, but I have pulled them off. And these tomatoes, some different kind of tomatoes. I'm not sure. I didn't plant them this year, but they grew, and they're growing in abundance. But see how they are? And they're a little tough skin. Not tough, but the skin is kind of not as soft as some of the other skins. And got some tomatoes here. Again, what I planted in these bins was not what came up. Not all of them. I planted tomatoes in here last year, and then I planted something else, but now I'm getting an abundance of tomatoes. And my onions are doing good, chives and onions here. But yeah, this is what's going on. Not a lot going on inside the greenhouse because it's so hot. This stuff would just wilt. Everything is kind of wilting. And I brought it out so it can get some sunshine. Also, my sunflowers are growing and doing well. See, I've got like 7 sunflowers in front of my on the side of my greenhouse that are growing. Lemongrass, lemon balm, peppers. That's where these peppers came from, those green peppers. Got a little 2 peppers trees in here, but they're not doing a lot. My banana tree, of course. And the corn that we had, we harvested it, and hubby tore it down. And over here I do have jalapenos growing. That's where that little jalapeno came from, right there. But you see there's some more on there. And got my compost going in there. And that's about it. That's 3 minutes and 16-second walk with Farmeress Dee. Have a good day.